everybody. Today we're going to do a short tutorial on how to get into Microsoft Office 365. And it's important that we know this because that is what we're going to be using to make our sway for our state report. So, like we showed in our class meeting, that sway of Washington State, you're going to need to know how to access that and also how to send it. So here's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to show you how to get into Microsoft Office 365, and then we're going to show you how to send an email to Mr. Kuntz or Mr. Jones. And that's how you're going to send us your completed project, through email. So, you can see here we're in Clever. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on Mr. Jones' page. You're going to click on the Mickey head right there. When you see Mr. Jones' page, you see a couple of apps there. That's what you're going to click right there is Microsoft Office 365. So click that. And that'll bring that up there. That is all your login information. It should be right there so you don't have to type anything else in. Just click Login, and there you go. It's taking us into Microsoft Office 365. And here on the left are a bunch of different apps. You have Microsoft Word, you have Excel, you have PowerPoint, Outlook, all of those things. Right down here is SharePoint, Teams, and Sway is at the very bottom. That's where we're going to make our presentation. But the very first thing we need to do is we need to go into Outlook. On the left here is that O, so we're going to click on Outlook. And that's going to bring you up into your email, okay? So this is your student email. And what you're going to do is you're going to click New Message. And here you go. Here's your email that you can send to Mr. Kuntz or Mr. Jones. So my email, Mr. Jones, is rjones. That's all you got to push is RJ. And Ryan Jones is going to come up, so you're going to click Ryan Jones at rjones at nkschools.org. And then Mr. Kuntz is Jason, Jas, and there it is, jkuntz at nkschools.org. It should find it for you if you just start typing in their name. So there you are, and then you can go ahead and type your email. This one's just going to say test. And when you actually do complete your sway, you're going to have a link on your sway, and you're going to copy that link, and you're going to paste it in here so that we can access and see your sway. So we're going to type our message, hello, hello, goodbye. So there's our message, and go ahead and click send, and there it is. Now, if you want to make sure that it's sent, you can click on here on the left-hand side of this bar, Sent Items. And there it is to show you that it did send and it did work. So that's the first thing. The most important thing in this whole state project is, one, that you can go to Clever, that you can go to Office 365, and that you can log in. Next thing we're going to show you is how to get into Microsoft Sway, so stay tuned.